In this video, I'm going to teach you to take your smartphone camera image and audio from this to this. And we're starting right now. For this lighting configuration, I used 3 lights, the GVM light, newer 660 LED light, and a Viltrox L132T. So we're gonna go into each of these lights into more detail and then about where they were placed. Okay, let's just jump right in here. So I actually used a new light that I just got from GVM. It stands for Great Video Maker. But remember kids, it's not the gear that makes your video great. It's the heart and soul that you put into it. There is one thing that I'm really not super psyched out. It's these gels. Came with this nice kind of like transparent dusted version that you could swap out for if you don't want the added color here. They come off, but you need to have something to get them off with. Getting these things off is really, really hard. That hurt. Really quick, the GVM light is my key. This is the main light source for my face, aka the subject. The Viltrox is my fill light, softening the shadows and adding some lovely glam glow. And the newer is my kick, backlight, or rim light. The purpose is to add depth to the shot by separating me, or your subject, from the background. Ideally, it has a nice fall off on my shoulder and maybe even casts a slight halo on top of my beautiful head. I used a newer 660 LED for the rim, also known as a kick or a backlight. It's bicolor, so you can change it from cool to warm color temperature, and it's good and bright. It came with the barn doors that you see here, and I added some baking paper on top to diffuse it some, to having to deal with setting up a softbox. Finally, I added this little LED panel as my fill light. Really, it's a glamour light because of how it's positioned, below, center, pointing up. That's what's giving me that oh so special glow, like a beautiful expecting mother. Just radiant. I used a Rode Videomicro mic with another double ball on a super clamp, and very important, the cable here is not the standard one that comes with the mic. It's a special cable called a TRS to TRRS. You can get this one or you can get an adapter, but it needs to be TRS to TRRS if you want to use this microphone with a smartphone. Everything is contained to this one tripod. I love this tripod, but you can use whatever you like. It's really non-consequential to the setup. Well, there you have it. Honestly, if you got the GVM light, which at the time of the making of this video is about 70 bucks, you could use a white card from Dollar General. This is a $1, just a big piece of artboard. You can use that as a fill. Place that right out of the frame underneath your subject or face, and you could use one of these great $15 Home Depot silver bowls, clamp on light socket things, $10 LED bulb, and you could achieve similar results. I own these lights, I use these lights, I love them. They're great, small, convenient, battery operated. You could get similar results and not have to spend, you know, 100 bucks on the newer and, you know, I don't know, 40, 50 bucks on the Viltrox, maybe. I don't know, I think I got it for less, actually. Yeah, there you have it. Good luck. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like the video. Be sure to subscribe to support the channel. At the time of the making of this video, we are at a grand total of 5 subscribers. Am I overexposed? Phone goes there in the center.